Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can get the active developer badge on your mobile device very quickly. Now here's first of all what you're going to be doing. You're not going to be needing to do any developing. You just need to follow the steps properly because if you skip a few steps, you may get banned. So make sure you follow properly. First, you want to go ahead and open up a new server. I know this might not seem relevant, but this is what you're going to be doing. Just create a random server. Skip anything that you need to be doing, and now that you're here, you're going to go to your settings of the server. And now you're going to scroll until you see Enable Community. Click on Get Started. Make sure these two tabs are open. They're on, sorry. Remember, you need to have these two on. Click on Next. Now that you're here, you can have these two here, but they don't really matter, so you can just go ahead and click on Next. You don't need to do any of the two above ones. You just have to make sure you agree and understand, and finish setting up. Now that you're here, you're going to click on Save, then Cancel, then Back again, and close it. So now you're just going to be closing all of that. Ignore the moderator only or any of that. Just ignore it for now. We're going to get to that later. Go ahead and leave the Discord and open up your browser. Search up Discord Developer Portal. Discord Developer Portal. Click on the first link. Click on Get Started. Scroll down. Create an application. And now you're going to put any random name. It doesn't have to be anything relevant. You're just going to put anything random, okay? You're going to go ahead and click on Agreeing and click on Create. Now that you're done this, remember, you're going to go ahead and close this tab right here and open the same Discord Developer Portal. I know this might not sound relevant, but you're just going to do this again just so you can go back to the main page to be able to go to the top left 3 lines. This is where you're going to go ahead and click on Applications and scroll and click on the one you just did. So it's going to be this bottom right one right here. You should only have one if this is the first time you're doing this, but I've been doing this multiple times. So click on the U, which is the one that you just did. It should be the one that you just named. Scroll down, and then you're going to go ahead and click on the none of these. Remember, you're not going to put any writing here or any of that. You're going to go to the 3 lines again. You're going to click on Bot, and then you're going to scroll and reset the token. Reset it, and then copy it. Now, I know this might not sound relevant, but just bear with me here. Now you're going to go ahead and search up Bot Ghost. Go ahead and click on the first link and create a bot. Scroll down, click on the one. You're going to have to scroll down quite a bit and click on Active Developer Badge. Now that you're done that, you're going to make sure the Enable Active Developer Badge command is on. Now you're going to go to the 3 lines in the top right, click on Invite, and select a server. For example, we're going to be doing the one we just created. And then you're going to authorize and wait a few minutes once you, just so you can go ahead and confirm you're not a bot. And there you go. Go back here. And you officially got this here, your bot. This is going to be your bot. Remember, you're just going to be ignoring that moderator only. You're just going to do this in a text channel. You're going to search /active dev badge and enter it. There you go. Now you have a link to be able to access this. You can click on the link now and whatever, but you shouldn't. Sorry, you wouldn't have the developer badge now. You're just going to wait up to 24 hours. And when the 24 hours are up, you're going to click the link. Remember, you're going to click it, and you're going to sign in with the right account. Remember, don't sign in with the wrong account. Currently, I'm already signed in to the correct account, but there you go. And you'll officially be done. And then once you're done that, you can just go ahead and delete the server. But remember, don't delete the server right now. Make sure you're proceeding with caution after the 24 hours, and make sure that you are officially accepted before deleting this server. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.